Good day friends, welcome to my channel lecture series on power electronics. In this lecture, we will see the types of three-phase induction motors. Three-phase induction motors are of two types, squirrel cage induction motor or slip ring induction motor. Squirrel cage induction motors are the ones which are very widely used and it is abbreviated as SCIM. Slip ring induction motors have a wound rotor. There is a three-phase winding star connected and it is abbreviated as SRIM or WRIM. Let us see the construction of a stator of a three-phase induction motor. The stator of a three-phase induction motor carries a three-phase winding connected either in star or delta, and the stator of both slip ring and squirrel cage induction motor look alike. The basic difference comes only in the rotor. The rotors of slip ring and squirrel cage induction motors are shown in the image. The rotor of a slip ring induction motor carries a winding, three-phase winding, always connected in star, and the ends of the winding are connected to three slip rings as shown in this picture. In the case of a squirrel cage induction motor, the rotor is made up of copper bars and they are connected to the end rings as shown here. They are not made parallel to the stator windings. They are purposely skewed to reduce the magnetic humming noise which occurs when the motor is running. This is how a squirrel cage induction motor is represented. The stator is shown here and the rotor is shown in the center. In this particular case, stator is shown as delta connected. It can even be star connected, but the rotor is shown as a circle because it is a closed structure when it is a squirrel cage induction motor. The representation of a slip ring induction motor is shown in this picture. Here the stator is shown as a delta connected winding. The rotor is always star connected winding and the ends of the three windings are taken to the slip rings and they are shorted directly, but it is shorted using variable resistances which are connected in star, so that by varying the resistance of the rotor, the speed control of the slip ring induction motor can be done easily. The speed control of induction motors can be done either from the stator side or from the rotor side. Because the squirrel cage induction motor has a closed structure, the speed control of a squirrel cage induction motor is possible only from the stator side, and for the rotor side speed control it is possible only with the wound rotor induction motor. For the squirrel cage induction motor, rotor side speed control is not possible. This is only because of the constructional difference. Hope this lecture clarifies the types of three-phase induction motors. Thank you.